Hi everyone, I'm Tanuja and welcome back to my channel Fluentspire. So in today's video, I'm just going to talk about ChatGPT, how I'm using ChatGPT to improve my English speaking skills, and you can also follow the same thing that can help you to improve your English as well. So like many of you already aware that ChatGPT is an AI tool that you can use like a chatbot where you can ask any queries. It's not only about English learning, but you can learn anything, any kind of query that you are struggling with, any question. So, like we have multiple other AI tool as well that is available and you can also use. But I'm more fond of ChatGPT, like it is now in my habit that whenever I get stuck for any queries or like any English related stuff also, so I just go to ChatGPT and I ask that question and I get that answer. But you have to use it wisely. You don't have to rely every time for everything. You can use your brain first and then you can ask any queries. It's not only just about English, but other things, whatever you want to ask, so you can use it. So in this video, I will just give you the kind of demo that how I'm using it, and you can use it in the same manner. Like you will get an idea if you are not using yet, so you can also start. And the one benefit is here is, for example, many people complain that they do not have partner or access to any other English platform, like paid platform where they can talk in English. So this would be the right idea to start with ChatGPT. So let's start. I will give you the quick demo here. So in the same manner, you can also see. So I'm using here in my laptop because I'm recording from my mobile. So what you can do, just let me quickly open it. So we have application also. You can download it in your mobile phone like ChatGPT. But here I'm using it in web. So you can just search ChatGPT. So I have already account here. So you can also create your own account, or if not, you can use it directly as well. Okay, so what you can do, like there are multiple things that you can see here. Like you can also see your history, whatever you are learning or any question you are asking here. And you can go in the new chat as well. You can ask any queries. For example, you want to ask any meaning. What is the meaning of atrocious? With example, I'm just giving you kind of chat that you can use it here. So first method you can use this like a kind of chat. So here I have asked that the meaning of atrocious. It is extremely bad, and you can see some example also. The food at that restaurant was atrocious. So in this manner you can also ask any question related to English or any other uh, subject as well. And the second thing that I use personally here is when I don't get any partner, so I just ask with ChatGPT. And it is really beneficial for me. And I would definitely suggest you should also try if you do not have any partner. So let's start. I will give you the quick demo here that how I am using it. Uh, here we have an option to speak as well, like voice kind of voice call. So I can allow here.
No worries at all. If you have questions or need more examples, just let me know. I'm here to help. Feel free to ask anything else whenever you're ready.
Okay, so I am learning English language. So let's assume that you are a receptionist at a coaching institute, and I'm the student.
Got it. That sounds fun. Let's jump into the scenario. Receptionist, hello, welcome to Bright Minds Coaching Institute. How can I assist you today?
Yes, I'm looking for Java course. That can you give me more information about Java courses that are available at your institute?
Of course, we have a couple of Java courses available. We offer a beginner level course that covers the basics of Java programming, as well as an advanced course that dives into more complex concepts and frameworks. Each course is designed with hands on projects and expert led sessions. Would you like details on the schedule or the fees?
Yes, I want to know about fee structure that for the advanced course of Java.
Absolutely. The advanced Java course is priced at $500, and that includes all of the study materials, project support, and lifetime access to course recordings. We also have an early bird discount if you enroll this month. Let me know if you'd like more details or if you have any other questions.
Yes, I want to know the duration of this course.
Sure. The advanced Java course runs for 12 weeks with 2 sessions per week, each lasting about 2 hours. That way, you'll have plenty of time to dive deep into the material and work on hands on projects. If you need any more specifics, just let me know.
Yes, I want to know like this course will be on the regular basis or alternate days.
Question. The course is scheduled on alternate days, so you'll have classes every other day. This gives you some time to practice and review between sessions. It's a balanced pace that helps reinforce your learning. If you have any other queries, feel free to ask.
Yes, I want to know more about discount part as you mentioned that it is for $500. So how much discount I will get on this course if I enroll early?
Absolutely. If you enroll within this month, you'll receive a 15% early bird discount. That means the course fee would be reduced to $425. It's a pretty great deal and helps you save a bit. If you need any assistance with the enrollment process, just let me know.
Yes, that sounds good. I just want to know more about lab part. Will I get the chance or other timing for lab?
Definitely. The course includes hands on lab sessions as well. You'll have scheduled lab times during the regular class hours, and we also offer additional lab slots on weekends for extra practice. Plus, you'll have access to a virtual lab environment so you can practice anytime at your convenience. That way, you get plenty of hands on experience.
Oh, that sounds great. So I would be definitely enroll for this course and thank you so much for your suggestion.
You're very welcome. I'm thrilled to hear that you're excited about it. If you need any help with the enrollment process or have any more questions along the way, just let me know. Looking forward to having you in the course.
Yeah, I have one more last question that how can I enroll for this course? Will I get any form or is it online?
Great question. The enrollment process is fully online. You'll just need to fill out a registration form on our website and you can make the payment securely there as well. Once you've completed that, you'll receive a confirmation email with all the details. If you need any assistance at any point, I'm here to help.
Great, thank you so much. And yeah, I will just enroll for this course.
You're very welcome. I'm so glad to hear that. If you have any more questions in the future or need any support, just reach out. Best of luck with the course, and I'm sure you'll do great.
Okay, so now we can end this conversation. Just I want to know more about my feedback about English because I am practicing English. So can you just guide me that where I have made any mistakes or anything that I can improve here?
Absolutely, I'd be happy to help with that. Overall, your English is clear and very understandable. One small note is that sometimes you can streamline sentences a bit for clarity. For example, instead of saying, I want to know more about the fees structure, you could say, I'd like to know more about the fee structure. Little adjustments like that can make your speech even smoother. But you're doing great, and it's awesome that you're practicing.
Yes, so now I have ended this conversation, and you must have seen that how I am practicing here. You can make any scenario, or you can like any scenario. For example, you can consider ChatGPT as a friend, or any patient or doctor conversation, or any other places, whatever you can make. So you can try with this idea. Okay. So now you must have seen this demo that how you can use it, and I will show you that you can also use in mobile phone as well. Like you can download the app as well. That would be more convenient for you to use anytime. Now you can see, even you can see the history also. Like for example, you want to see that how you have practiced it, so you can see in the chat as well. Like you can see here in the sentences formation as well, so that would be great to read it, and then you can learn. And I believe that it would be helpful for you guys as well. And if you have any query related to this, so definitely you can reach out to me, because it's not only about IT professional that they can use uh, like this AI application. Anyone of you can use, and you can make more benefit of it. I hope you guys like this video, and if you like this, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.